Linear algebra and calculus, two pillars of mathematics. Both are vital tools for students and professionals. They might sound similar, but they're very different. First, the significant difference. Linear algebra is all about simple, straightforward problems like solving systems of equations where everything is predictable and flat. But calculus? That's where things get tricky. It deals with curves, changing rates, and more complicated problems requiring extra steps. In calculus, you start with simple problems in one dimension and move up. But with linear algebra, you jump straight into higher dimensions like 2D and 3D right from the start. Pretty cool, right? Linear algebra is often simpler when it comes to solving equations. So, linear algebra deals with flatness and simplicity, straight lines, planes, and straightforward solutions. Calculus, on the other hand, brings curves, complexity, and changing rates into the mix. Both are incredibly powerful, but they approach mathematics differently. What's your favorite? Both subjects are super important and powerful. Want to learn more? Our expert mentors are here to help you conquer these subjects, one step at a time. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit us at mitrainstituteofeducation.org for personalized tutoring. We've got your back.